Okay, this is the infamous Jeep that everybody wants to know about. I don't know if there's really anybody, but from Rob's video, I am the owner of this company that if you watch my other videos, you can see we have about 60 vehicles, most of them are out right now, on rent on Turo and Getaround. Rob, SRDS high school buddy. I didn't really know him in high school, he was older than me, but nice guy. Just want to start off by saying, not at all angry or mad or pissed or anything at the review you gave my car, because to be honest, it was a lot of stuff was true. But from my perspective, I'd like to go over the car, you know, from a person who owns a business, who owns and rents out cars as old as 2005. Yeah, he pointed out some of this, some of that, some of that, some of that. Oh yeah, I like this one. You remember that, right? Okay. So all this body work to me, as a yeah, this actually a renter did. I didn't fix it because I have more important things to fix first. I might not even fix it. I might fix it if the body guy has nothing to do. But to me, this car is mint. No, I'm just kidding. That's my used car dealer attitude coming out. No, this car is, to me, in excellent condition. I know I'm gonna get a lot of people saying, what? But come on, what is this, a 07 Jeep with 138 on the clock? Yeah. What, 12 years old, something like that? 12 years old? I think it's great. Tires are great. Okay, interior. I do try my best to do interior cleaning. But I can't detail my cars every week. The reason I'm saying that is because people rent these cars and they move stuff. Yeah, see all this? Quick detail, I'll probably get all these stains out, but you know, what's the point? If you want a mint car to take a date out on, don't take the Jeep. Take the Range Rover. Take the brand new Jeep. Take 2016, 2015, 2012 and up, and you'll be good. This is, you know, I want to go skiing. I want to go snowboarding. Alright. I kind of agree with them a lot on the interior. I wish it wasn't as bad, but it is. Now the steering wheel. Yes. It's not dirty. It's the leather that's worn out. You can see. You can scrub this thing as hard and as you want. It's not dirt. Maybe a little bit, but I mean just normal amount of dirt. But you could scrub it. It's just the leather. And if you look at my other videos, I did a sofa repair, leather repair, and I'll probably try it with this. And actually, yeah, I'll make a whole video because yeah, the seat is worn and it is pretty dirty. I don't know if you can see in the camera. Yeah, there you go. Oh man, that's a nice dirt mark. But yeah, I'll do a whole video. Let's see if I can repair the seat and make it look brand new. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, you know, is this acceptable for cars that you need to move things around in? Yeah. Oh, just like everybody commented, this is the 4 high 4 low button that a renter ripped off, and I didn't catch it within 24 hours, so I couldn't claim it. Meaning it's gonna stay like that because there's no reason for you guys to switch from 4 high to 4 low. Just drive the car. I'll tell you how many trips and how many we put about almost close to 20 to 25,000 miles on this truck in less than 12 months. And what have we done to it? Probably brakes, those look like the same tires that I got the truck with, because when I replace my tires, I go for, you know, economical priced new tires, which I feel they work just as well, but obviously performance wise maybe not, but safety wise you're all good. Yeah, so this car is 100% safe to be on the road, passed all inspections. Hey, let's go for a drive. What are you doing? I'm not doing nothing. Let's go for a drive. I'm gonna stop talking so you can try to hear the rattling, which is there, but I mean, if it's a stabilizer links, yeah, I'll change them. What are they, $10 each? If it's shocks, maybe I'll wait till they get worse, or maybe I'll change it if the mechanic is not too busy. The cracked bushings, all those bushings, rubber bushings that he showed that were cracked, yeah, but that's normal. It's a 13-year-old car, and they're not broken. They're working. They're doing their job. Safety, they're fine. If you go to Jeep to get it checked out, yeah, Jeep's going to tell you, don't even drive it on the road. Here's your bill, $4,000. You need to get it done. You go to a local mechanic who doesn't lie, non-dealership mechanic, and he'll be like, so, why would you want to waste your money and change parts that are working? I'm very comfortable with what I do. I hope I can rent to you. I will fix this seat that I'm sitting in and clean the cup holders and make some more people happy.